So then I went for number 6, believe it or not, on ice cream!
A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. So as you probably noticed from the intro and the thumbnail, today we're going to be talking about FRAN'S SPACE CREAM. This one is exciting, guys, and I'm literally going to be reading through this whole thing because there's so much information to give on this, and I've got it right here in front of me. So, FRAN'S SPACE CREAM, kind of an advent calendar. A Phoenix Shaving Original, the first ever Christmas in July countdown to National Ice Cream Day. Extremely limited edition, guys. Time-sensitive, portal access only, as written by Douglas and Fran here. Every summer, there's a story. Every summer, without fail, FRAN'S SPACE CREAM truck rolls into Camp Phoenix. Sometime afternoon, even if Camp Phoenix itself is never in the same place twice. Sometimes it's parked outside or beside the misty shores of Lake Little Nessie, sometimes deep in the Wendigo Wilderness, and sometimes right smack in the middle of a Class 4 time anomaly. This has happened twice. But no matter where the camp lands, when the distant tinny jingle echoes through the trees, everyone runs. Why? Because FRAN'S SPACE CREAM isn't just dessert, it's legend and lore. A summer tradition that transcends time. So in 1984, President Reagan, possibly unknowingly, aligned the stars with when he declared July National Ice Cream Month, anchoring National Ice Cream Day on the third Sunday. But here at Camp Phoenix, where linear time is merely a suggestion, we go bigger, weirder, and way more throwback fragrant. Introducing FRAN'S SPACE CREAM Advent Calendar. 6 days, 6 legendary flavors, 6 sample-sized time portals to simpler times. Behind each mystery door lies a shave soap and aftershave combo inspired by the cosmic delights of the ice cream truck menu of your dreams. Think push pops, fudgesicles, possibly interdimensional sorbet. This Christmas in July, campers, our countdown begins on July 15th. That's when you start, guys, no earlier. So, I'm gonna put a little picture up on the instructions on how to use this, what's the word I'm looking for? Advanced device, the Advent calendar. So how to use this highly advanced shave technology. July 15th, day 1, open the first door on the top row right here, guys. The doors aren't numbered this time, so just follow these instructions. Gonna be like you read from left to right, top to bottom. So door 1, on July 15th. Open the first door on the top right, then left to right, 1 door, 1 cent. Each day, peel back the new portal until the grand finale on July 20th, which will be right down here, right there. Ice Cream Day, National Ice Cream Day. It's a scent-based ice cream odyssey. Trust the process, he says. Warning, there's a temporal tampering warning here. He goes, listen, camper, shave cadets, do not go rogue. No peeking, no shaking, no sniffing your way ahead. FRAN'S SPACE CREAM is stitched together with the scent-based time magic and raw unicorn dairy. Wow, I'm curious about that. Tampering with the timeline may result in flavor collapse, nostalgia malfunction, and worst of all, disappointing Fran. Please do not do that. When Fran is unhappy, Cube is unhappy. Yeah, please. We do not want Cube unhappy. So please, stick to the countdown, respect the ritual, and for the love of all that's creamy, cube-tastic, and cosmic, wait your turn, Mothman. What's inside? 6 exclusive classic ice cream truck-inspired scents, 6 sample-size shave soaps, and 6 sample-size aftershave colognes. 1 intergalactic sense of wonder, and 6 chances to time travel back to your sweetest summer of yore. Extremely limited run. Due to the nature of this extremely unique hand-thrown together product, quantities are extremely limited. Once they're gone, poof, they're gone. So run to that truck, Shave Cadets. You don't want to miss this instant summer classic, FRAN'S Space Cream, the coolest thing in any timeline, only at Phoenix Shaving. Grab yours now. So that is the new message for FRAN'S Shave Cream, a new summer advent tradition. I spoke to Douglas a little bit and asked when this was going to drop. And let me see if I can find it. I thought I had it right here. Next weekend. So I'm recording this on Saturday the 21st. So next weekend, guys. So that will be weekend of the 28th. So could be the 27th, could be the 28th. Do not know. Just be paying attention, guys. It's limited if you want to get in on the fun of the new summer tradition advent calendar, FRAN'S Space Cream. Be paying attention starting the 27th on when this is going to drop. I'm not sure of the number of quantities. I do not know the price point. I just know it's going to drop next weekend. All right. If you have any questions, I don't have much more answers than what I've given you here. I will be doing 6 days of this. You will be seeing some summer advent shaves. I don't know if Cube's going to make an appearance or not. He's been quite silent for a while. We will see. But there you have it, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.